reason I strongly said you can't use sine rule, because for sine rule you need to have at least one of the sides should have its own angle somewhere. For example, if I had an angle right here, let's call it 60 degrees, I can use this other angle to find the other remaining angles. Okay? I can use that angle because I have an angle and its pair. I can use sine rule at this point because I have an angle and its side. Then I can find the unknown angle or the unknown side. But now, since this one has come with no angle whatsoever inside, the first question that we have been asked is to find this angle here. So sine rule has been cut off. We are not using sine rule. Instead, we are using cosine rule. So for us to find cosine rule, the side for this angle, it is this, A. The side for that angle, it is this, small c. Then the side for that is B. So we are finding that angle there. So we bring in the formula for the cosine rule. So I said you start with the side of the angle that you are looking for. Either it's the side they're asking you to find, or it's the angle. You start with the one that you have issues with. So we say B squared is equal to, all right? Then you pick the sides that you have, the other two sides. A squared plus C squared minus, then you say 2, open bracket, A times C cos B. In this case, it is our theta that we are finding. That's the formula that we use. That's the formula for cosine rule. So it changes with the letters that you have been given. Okay? But it's the same. The only thing that changes are the letters that have been given. So our B squared we know is 2.8. All right? So we can even go direct and say, what is 2.8 squared? Because B is 2.8. So 2.8 squared is what? So say 2.8 squared. We get 7.84. So you write 7.84 here is equal to. Then we have A. Our A is 2.5. What is 2.5 squared? 2.5 squared. We get 6.25. 6.25. Plus, what is 1 squared? 1 squared is 1. Which is same as Z, which is 6.25 plus 1, it is Z, 7.25. Then we say minus, because I've already added this. Then we say 2. 2 multiplied by 2.5 times 1 is 2.5. 2.5 times 2 is C5, so we have 5 cos theta. Are you following, guys? Then after that, we take this to the right side. So it will be 7.84 minus 7.25 is equal to negative 5 cos theta. Then we divide both sides by negative 5. So that now our theta, cos theta, is equal to, all right? Then we can punch on our calculator. You can just say 7.85 minus 7.25 divide by that negative 5. We have negative 0.12. So now we have negative 0.12. Okay? Then we want to remain with theta alone. That means we are going to say 1 over cos on both sides. So this cos will go. Then on the other side, we are going to have cos inverse. So cos inverse of negative 0.12. So from our answer, we just say shift cos inverse the answer. Okay, cos inverse the answer. Wait. Then we say equals 96.89210258. So that's our answer, 96.8 or 96.9. All right. So earlier I found 96 point what? It was 96 point what? 0.7 something, then it became 96.8, right? Yes. So these are reasonable because if we round it off, it will still give us 97. The one who has the 96.78 and the one who write 96.9, you all be marked because you are in the reasonable marking range. All right. So now this angle here is 96.